I'm taking my 80-year-old grandfather for a ride in the car. See his reaction. Should be fucking hysterical because he's a fucking nut. Oh. You want to move your seat up and everything? You sure? Put your seatbelt on.
Where's the strap? Right there.
Alright, so I'm logging the car. You alright? You nervous?
Oh,
You should be nervous. It's fast, the car. I know you had fast cars, right?
Huh?
You had a lot of fast cars, right?
Oh, I had a few.
Yeah. If you get nervous, just hold onto the door. That's called the old shit handle. Ready?
Wow.
How'd that feel? Ghost on my car. I can't take it no more. It's too quiet. So let's see how loud this race track edition catback from AWE is. I'm just gonna film some of I guess the installation. I've never done this before. I never really even worked on this car before, but I'm sure I'll figure it out. So don't mind. I should just get this off. It'll be so much easier. Alright, so I'm under the car. No cardboard, pretty ghetto. I really don't care, I just want to get this done. But so far, I just want to show you what I did. I disconnected. This is the hanger, the stock hanger where that holds the exhaust up. I guess the pry bar I had was a little too short to use. So I just disconnected the hanger at 13 millimeters. And then there's one up on this side, says the other hanger right here. I took the 13 millimeter out of there. And on the other side, you have one more 13 millimeter. And this is the hanger. There's one more bolt holding it in up here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna loosen up the exhaust up in the front first, and then I'll come back and I'll take this out so I can just slide the whole thing out in one shot. So far the installation seems pretty easy. I wouldn't call this a do-it-yourself. I'm just doing this just to show you me putting the exhaust on. So I'm almost done. I had to charge my camera. I forgot to charge it from the last time I used it. So I'm just gonna give you a shot underneath, show you what's done so far. So H-pipe is done. Pretty much everything's catback. I just got to put the tips on this side. But this is an AWE track edition exhaust. It's pretty cool. It's pretty nice actually. The quality's pretty serious. I just got to tighten that stuff up over here first. That's about it. I got to do a couple things before I start the car. I'm gonna try to fix my front bumper. So I finally got to the fancy part. Fancy polished exhaust tips. I can't wait to start the car and hear what it sounds like. But see those hangers? I removed them and then I put the exhaust on the hanger and then bolted them up. It made it much easier to line everything up. Just gotta tighten these clamps still. I'll be done, and then I'm gonna put the tips on the exhaust. Just showing you what's going on. Nothing special. So the exhaust is finished. These are the tips. They actually look pretty nice. I don't know if I'm supposed to make them stick out more. I think I might have put them in too far, and I don't know. Not really sure. I feel like I gotta just adjust them. Yeah, I'm gonna probably have to adjust them. But it's the exhaust underneath. Yeah, I definitely gotta adjust those. AWE track edition exhaust.